Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a craft that you can do in your forest school groups, in your cub groups, beaver groups, anything where there are younger children in there and you want a nice easy craft that they're going to be able to do but is really effective and looks fantastic as well. So let's get into it. For this craft, all you're going to need is a piece of fabric. Now I've used, believe it or not, waxing strips off Amazon, cotton waxing strips. They're perfect for this. They're a great size to use for an individual child to use and take home. But if you didn't want to spend any money, then any fabric, old sheets that you've got, bedding sheets, things like that. But yeah, cotton, linen, kind of your best materials. So it's a piece of fabric, and then any shaped leaves that you want to use. So I've just got 3 of different size, similar shapes but 3 of different size there. And you can collect these maybe on a nature walk beforehand. So maybe you want to start off your group by going on a walk around your area and then collecting things that they might want to use in their craft. You can collect leaves, you can collect petals, anything that they want to maybe put into the bag and then take back to where you're going to be doing this craft. And then the third thing is a hitting instrument. So I've got a mallet, but you can also just use kind of a log, or maybe that's another thing that you've done in the school where you've created your own mallets. But that's it, just 3 simple materials and something to kind of lay the material on while you're hitting it. So the basic premise of this is you take your strip of material, okay, and you lay your leaves or petals on one side. You fold it over, you fold it in half, lay it down, and then you hit it. Okay, so all of those, all of that liquid that's within the leaves or within the petals is going to be forced out and onto the piece of material, but it leaves the shape of that leaf or petal in there. And then what you can do once you've made that imprint is turn it into your own favorite insect, bug, shape, whatever you want to do, just with felt tips. So I'm going to show you how that works now. So all I'm going to do is just place the leaves in the shape of half a butterfly's body, the wings, and we're going to fold it in half. I'm just going to make sure it's close to the center point, so then I don't have to draw a massive body to kind of make up for that space. Make sure it's folded in half. You've got a nice firm ground, and then you're just going to take whatever you're using to hit with and give it a good few hard taps. Okay, and you'll know when it's ready because you can see actually the imprint already coming through the other side. So that means that the liquid has been released and is soaking in. So if we open that up now, so if we open that up now, you can see that the pattern has been transferred onto the other side, and you can actually see all the veins in there as well. It's quite fascinating. So then all you need to do is just take off the leaves from the other side. You can see that the pattern has been printed obviously onto that side as well. You might just need to rub it off. Now I did just catch a little bit of the rock that was a bit stuck up, so it did kind of make a little hole, but it's not the end of the world. So there I've got my 2 sides of my butterfly, the 2 sets of wings there. So all I need to do now is just draw the body in between. I'm just going to take my pen. Now obviously you can do it as colourful as you want to. I've just brought out my black Sharpie pen. I'm just going to draw a very simple body in the middle of my 2 wings. Now on the other one that I showed you, I did use coloured felt tip to kind of put some patterns on the wing as well. and by all means you can do that. I'm not going to do that today because, like I said, I've just got my black pen out, but that is really all you need to do there to make it, to turn it into that butterfly. So like I said, you can use petals, leaves. So the petals obviously will give you different colours in there themselves, but just using leaves there, you get a really effective pattern. So like I said, if you just wanted to do one leaf, and then you could turn that into the body of maybe just like a ladybird or anything. So you can just do it with one leaf and have two ladybirds on either side, or you can do the one that I've done with the butterfly with the two sets of wings. There we go. So yeah, really effective, really easy to do, completely free or quite cheap, depending on how you want to go. Like I said, I bought these for $11.99 off Amazon for 200 pieces. The advantages of that is all the prep work's already done for you. You just need to bring your packs out and then go for your walk to collect your leaves, and it's all ready for you to go. But this could be a completely free craft if you just wanted to use a bit of recycled material or bedsheet, if it's been donated or if you've got some lying around. Then you just need to cut that into the size strips that you want to use. So that's how you can make it completely free. But if you wanted to go down this route, like I said, it's only a few pounds. It's not really expensive to do, and it's quite effective. Each individual piece, obviously, they can just take home, stick it on the fridge, stick it on the wall, and yeah, I think they're really nice. You can do a few of them, hang them up on the window, and you can let the light shine through them. But yeah, I mean, there's a few ways you can kind of include this in a lesson. So you can have this as part of your nature walk, collecting new resources. You can have this in a lesson where you're creating the mallets. You can either create picture frames for this to go in, so a rectangular picture frame using sticks. So you can use this as part of a larger kind of topic of crafts that you're focusing on at the minute. But yeah, it's really effective, really enjoying, and easy as well. So let me know if you have any questions at all. I'd love to be able to see pictures, but I don't think YouTube allows you to post pictures. But if you do find a way, then please forward them on. But if not, just let me know how you've got on, if it was a success, anything that you would do next time, or any other creatures that you've been able to create. Just let me know. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.